And in other news, while addressing a plea concerning the death penalty that has been handed down by an Indonesian court to 3 Indian nationals, the Delhi High Court has directed the Indian Consulate in Indonesia to take necessary measures to ensure that the convicted individuals receive proper legal representation and appropriate assistance in pursuing the appellate remedies. Additionally, the consulate has been instructed to facilitate communication between the convicted individuals and their families in India. My colleague Sambhav Sharma with us on the broadcast. Sambhav, take our viewers through the details, please.
Well, in this case, Delhi High Court bench of Justice Sachin Datta has issued a notice on the petition by the spouses of the convicted Indians and directed the Ministry of External Affairs to pursue the matter at the diplomatic level. And this hearing took place in the Delhi High Court yesterday, wherein Delhi High Court directed the Indian Consulate in Indonesia that these Indian nationals who are on the death row in Indonesia were given adequate legal aid and also to pursue remedies. The bench led by Justice Sachin Datta in this case has issued notice on the petition by the spouses of these convicted Indians and directed the Ministry of External Affairs to pursue the matter at the diplomatic level. The court, the Delhi High Court has further asked the authorities to also facilitate the communication between the convicts and their families in India.
Sambit, if you can also share further details with our viewers, what exactly is it that the High Court is now expecting the consulate to do, and what has been the response of the consulate so far? Because these men have been arrested last year and they were handed over the death sentence a month ago. So what exactly has been India's intervention in the past year?
See, these 3 men, one Raju Puthukumaran, another person Selvadurai, and the third person is Govinda Swamy. All are from Tamil Nadu. And they were arrested in July 2024 for allegedly smuggling some over 100 kilograms of crystal meth abroad. And they were a trial underwent in Indonesia, post which Indonesian authorities, the courts there have given the court there gave the death sentence. So this is the case, and when the matter went to the Delhi High Court now has issued notice, and it is to be seen what the Ministry of External Affairs and the officials there are going to take action, because it's a serious case, and because it is also to be seen what kind of treaties India and Indonesia hold when it comes to such kind of cases, such kind of trials abroad, and any official response from the Ministry of External Affairs is not yet clear. It is to be seen what action Ministry of External Affairs is going to take, and are these people or these 3 people gonna is legal aid to be given to them or not? Not clear yet, but the Delhi High Court has made it very clear that adequate legal aid should be given to them, and directed the Indian Consulate in Indonesia to ensure that these 3 Indian nationals on death row in the foreign country to be given legal aid to pursue the remedies there.